Looking for ways to make your home more vibrant? How about adding some green with a dash of creativity? Today, we dive into the world of succulents, those low-maintenance, aesthetically appealing plants that are trending in home decor. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 succulent arrangements for eye-catching displays. Starting with number 5, we have the hanging glass terrarium. This delightful arrangement suspends succulents in a glass globe, creating a floating garden spectacle. It's the perfect solution for small spaces, bringing a touch of greenery without overwhelming the area. A hanging glass terrarium can be a real conversation starter in any room. At number 4, we present the succulent wreath. This unique arrangement adds a fresh and vibrant touch to any home decor. Its versatility shines, brightening up walls and doors with ease. A succulent wreath is more than just decor. It's a statement. Number 3 on our list is the succulent fairy garden. Imagine the enchanting allure of a miniature landscape, flourishing with assorted succulents. The creative possibilities are endless with this arrangement, allowing you to craft your own magical ecosystem. A succulent fairy garden brings a touch of magic to your home. Coming in at number 2, we have the succulent wall art. This captivating arrangement transforms any blank wall into a lush, living masterpiece. It's not just a plant display, it's a statement. Succulent wall art is an innovative way to bring nature indoors. And finally, at number 1, we have the succulent centerpiece. Its allure lies in its elegance and the undeniable ability to captivate attention in any room. The harmonious blend of nature's beauty and refined sophistication makes it an unbeatable choice. A succulent centerpiece is a perfect blend of nature and elegance. So there you have it, the top 5 succulent arrangements for eye-catching displays. These versatile beauties can transform any space, bringing an element of green tranquility. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Until next time, keep your home green and beautiful.